Measure the longest height out of the total 4 sides and cutting period. Then, cutting each board in half. I was making sure that I am doing the following: pushing the first side in place, aligning the second side with the first, pushing the second side in place, keeping enough space for the other sides to fit seamlessly, using a level on both sides, making final corrections, getting ready with third and fourth sides, using a wood scrap to avoid damage, slowly fastening before nailing for final clean look. Same with the fourth and final side. For those wondering about the price, around 40 for the materials and 1 grand if purchasing all the tools as well. Time taken? 4 hours. Regarding the switch, my wife moved the switch. For that 20 for the materials, not more than 100 with tools.